Hey guys, subscribe for daily content, and if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I have no idea what's in here. Not the foggiest. There's a bunch of stuff though, I can feel it all moving around in there. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Let's transition from the intro and get into the bag before I get myself in trouble. Okay, we have 1, 2. Oh, I think I know who this is from. We got 3 things in here and a note. Fantastic. Bless it. I love it when people send notes. Alrighty, good deal. Hold on. We got three different pieces of paper here. Now, I think this actually came from another reviewer. This came from Everyman's Pocket EDC. So make sure you check them out on YouTube. Holy moly. 1, 2, 3. Hope you enjoy the knives. The blank and blank. Oh, wow, very generous. They're mine to keep, give away, or pass on to fellow reviewer, however you see fit. Okay, thank you. The prototype will need to come back home. That doesn't surprise me at all. When you're finished checking it out. I could not give that one away even if I wanted to because of what it is. Just let me know and we'll send you a return label. Okay, awesome. Very cool. Okay, so let's, let me see if I can tell what these are. I can't. That did me absolutely no good. What was I doing there? Was that I don't even know. Okay. Let's, I gotta take a peek. Okay, let's do this one here first. Okay, good deal. So maybe this is the Ronin. It says right there. So we have the new EMP EDC Ronin with quite the personality there for sure. That won't be one easily forgotten, I don't think. Man. Compound Tanto with a thick, it's almost a chisel, right? It's almost a sharpened chisel. We have LMAX here. Nice textured titanium. Actually, that's really nice. Big gaps in between each one of these lines. And then it's contoured as well, which is actually... That's a pretty good looking knife for a thinner profile. He's got a nice little choke up spot right here in jimping that extends out to where I like it to be. I don't like it when it ends back here, right? That's cool. Okay, so the Ronin. So this is one of the ones I get to keep, huh? All right, very, very cool. This is obviously a premium knife. The last EMP EDC that I handled was really nice, made very, very well. I don't know yet. Does it say who the OEM is? You can get these in Damasteel. Okay, cool. It doesn't say. Ceramic bearing, steel lock bar insert. All right, we'll find out before we review it. That's cool. Very interesting looking. That'll be a little bit polarizing, I'm sure. The front flipper works well. The little reverse flick hole works well. And you got to dig at it, but you can flick it out with the thumb. So, okay, cool. Next up, we have... Oh, no, we don't want to do that one last. There's something wild in here, for sure. So this is going to be... What sorcery is preventing me from... Oh, there, it was nothing. It was a weak spell. This is the Nimble T2. Okay? So that's a little bit... Is the Nimble smaller on this one? Okay, okay, all right. Hey, very nice finish on that. That is beautiful. Look at that. Very cool. Okay, no, now I'm remembering. Okay, so we have the polished bowls. That actually looks pretty good. If you're gonna do that, polish it up. We got a nice, ooh, very, very easy to do the reverse flick. I wonder if this has been changed or altered to make the detent feel slightly better. I'm actually not sure. I cannot remember from the first one, right? Any and all information about these knives it's all going to be listed down in the description for you guys to check out. So if you're wondering how do I just chill, just description. You'll live. A little bit of belly here, which is nice. I kind of prefer that over the straight edge Tanto, I think. This is also aggressively hollow ground. Look at that. Oh boy, that is a thin edge there. A nice thick Tanto tip. Really huge fan of that finish. I just think that looks infinitely better than a satin grind, and I think it'll wear in better. So we're just trying to reverse flick it with the left hand, trying to be fancy and cool on YouTube. You gotta keep up. You gotta always look cool. Gotta make sure people know what you're doing, right? never mind. You know, taking it out and batoning with it, right? You guys want to know, can this guy reverse flick it? That is all we want to know. Well, the answer is yes. So, listen, I'm happy to meet, nay, exceed your expectations. We didn't expect. No need to thank me. Just behold. Okay, so the last one here. Let me get the name right. Yeah. Okay. This is a prototype. Dude, it's an OTF prototype. I did not know that we were getting into this territory now, that we could have things like OTFs designed for us. Okay, that is different. Warncliffe, hold on. Okay, it does work. And you know what? It's pretty solid. I'm going to say this feels about the same as an Ultratech, which I actually have right here, in terms of firing power. So let's put them. Yeah, pretty similar. I think I want to hit this with a shot of Rem oil and see what I think afterwards, but yeah, it's not failing, so that's good. Very, very solid on lockout. We have a hollow. Is this hollow ground too? Yeah, it's a hollow ground Warncliffe. The texturing on it has to be aluminum. Has to be aluminum. The texturing on aluminum is great. I'm gonna guess this is a titanium pocket clip, which is really cool. If we're getting into this world now, where we're gonna start seeing, I mean, this is the first time that I've seen a design group like EMP EDC have an OTF prototype made. I know that there's a few of them floating around, but I feel like we might be at a tipping point where we start to see, because for so long, the OTF world has been locked down. Locked down by a few, one select companies. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful, but everybody knows what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's been heavily locked down, right? We see a couple of Chinese companies screwing around here. There, Maxace has managed to make some good stuff, right? I imagine that's tricky. Very tricky. Interesting. I wonder if we're about to see a flood of this type of stuff. But for now, this is very cool. I haven't seen anything else. This is it's about as wide as like a combat Troodon, but it is much shorter. In fact, yeah, it's still shorter than like the Ultratech. I want to say that guy's probably about 7 3/4, 7.5 to 7 3/4. Let's measure it here real quick. Yeah, 7.5. Okay, but plenty to fill out the hand, and look at this. The frame is contoured. Really nice fit and finish, though. It actually almost feels like it's getting snappier. I would like to hit this with a shot of Rem oil. I'm going to message him and make sure that it's okay that I do that, because I want to see. I keep my OTFs, all of them. I keep Rem oil on those things. That is recommended by the factory. And boy, is that correct. That has been do not dump break-free CLP or anything like that in your OTFs. you want rem oil. You want a dry lubricant, and rem oil will leave little bits of Teflon behind, which is really good for the internals. So yeah, that's really interesting. I did not expect to receive this today, so I'm pretty excited. This is not a review. This is just an unboxing and first impressions. You will get full comprehensive reviews of each of these knives, except for the Ultratech, down the road a bit. So very cool, very intriguing. Thank you so much for the generous donations to the channel. I will likely give these away. So if you've never joined me for a live stream and you're wondering what could a knife channel possibly do on a live stream, oh God, you have no idea. It gets weird. But one of the things that I like to do is give knives away. So if you want to participate, it's usually Fridays or Saturdays in the evenings. No set schedule. You just kind of have to check. But yeah, subscribe. Turn your notifications on because I like to do stuff like that. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.